So this is originally designed as lateral chromotherapy. The lights are supposed to come from the top, and you were supposed to be in a shower of light. Then things happened on this installation where we couldn't put the lights on the top because of some structural issues. But there have been happy accidents that have happened with the collection of light. So the theory behind this is that this is your prism on life, this is your filter on life, right? What's happening is that it's taking the stimulus and giving you these beautiful patterns if you wish to see the beautiful patterns, right? But it's never really the creator of the light. It's a reflector of the light. And in the duality that we have what's called the lateral chromotherapy, right? That you have the two parts of your brain that are activated by your two different eyes. And we are trying to feed a different stimulus to each so that you can create a series of like healing patterns that will then impact a change in your brain chemistry through light, color, and sound. What we usually say is sit back in a space where you can see both of them together, and we are taking it back now so you can see the two of them together, and sit on this bench and just soak it in. And you see through the little blinds, curtains on what's happening beyond your space, beyond your immediate frame of reference, as a constant reminder that things will keep happening outside, right? And then you would have a stimulus of color coming in, then you may have a stimulus of different intensity of light and sound and so on. And then every once in a while, somebody or something will come around and do this, and you're like, that wasn't me. And now you're just reflecting what has been thrown at you, right? Look at the patterns on the ceiling as well. There's never one answer, I'm not talking about scales of gray. I'm just saying there's not one answer to every situation. There is always a point and a counterpoint, right? Many layers of analysis that can go into this. And this is designed as a 18-minute sequence where you are going through these cycles of colors. And after 18 minutes, what we are hoping that this will achieve is recircuiting of the brain to deal with, on a physiological aspect, deal with what stimulus that you have, but on a more philosophical construct, to be able to analyze that you are just a reflector of the big play of light.